Welcome. Today we are tackling a very popular coding interview question, designing a data structure that supports insert, delete, and GetRandom operations, all in constant time, or O of 1. This problem tests your ability to combine different data structures to achieve optimal performance. Here is what we need to build: a class that supports 3 specific methods. First, insert a value. Second, remove a value. And third, GetRandom, which returns a random element from the current set. The critical constraint here is that every single one of these operations must run in O of 1 average time complexity. You might think, why not just use a simple array? Well, arrays are great for inserting and getting random elements, but removing an element from the middle is slow because you have to shift everything over. That is O of n. On the other hand, a hash set has fast insert and remove, but it does not support indexed access, so picking a random element is O of n. Neither works alone. The solution is to combine them. We use a dynamic array, like an array list or vector, to store the actual elements. This gives us O of 1 access by index. Simultaneously, we use a hash map to store the mapping from the value to its index in that array. This gives us O of 1 lookup and deletion capabilities. Let's visualize the design. On the left, we have our hash map. It maps the actual value, like 10 or 25, to its index in the array, like 0 or 1. On the right, we have the dynamic array, which simply stores the values at those indices. These two structures must be kept in sync at all times. To insert a value, say 42, we first check the map to ensure it is not already there. If it is new, we append 42 to the end of our array. Then, we record its position in the map. Since appending to an array and adding to a map are both average O of 1, the entire operation is constant time. Getting a random element is straightforward thanks to our array. We generate a random integer between 0 and the array's size -1. Then, we just access the array at that index. Since array access by index is instantaneous, this operation is strictly O of 1. Now for the tricky part, deletion. As we mentioned, removing from the middle of an array usually causes a shift, which is slow. However, since the order of elements in our set does not matter, we can use a clever trick. We swap the element we want to delete with the very last element in the array. Here is the algorithm. Step 1, look up the index of the value you want to remove using the map. Step 2, swap that value with the last item in the array. Step 3, update the map to reflect that the last item has moved to the empty spot. Step 4, remove the last element from the array. Step 5, remove the target value from the map. Let's see this in action. Suppose we want to delete 20, which is at index 1. We take 40, which is the last element at index 3, and put it into index 1. Now the array looks like 10, 40, 30, and a duplicate 20 at the end. We simply pop the last element off. Finally, we update the map so it knows 40 is now at index 1. Let's review our performance. Insert is O of 1. Remove is O of 1 because we avoided shifting elements. GetRandom is O of 1. Our space complexity is linear, O of n, as we store each element once in the array and once in the map. This meets all the requirements perfectly. To wrap up, remember this pattern. When you need O of 1 random access, use an array. When you need O of 1 lookup, use a hash map. And when you need O of 1 deletion in an array, use the swap with last technique. This combination is a powerful tool in your coding interview arsenal. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.